Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Raceland, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether it's a work opportunity, family affair, or other reason, shifting is the most difficult task to do if you plan to move into another city or state. Whether it becomes one costly expenditure or you increase the distance, but if you hire us, we will help shift your apartment seamlessly without any hassle. As our long-distance shifting, our movers and experts will firstly visit your place, make our assessment of products you need to transport, and notify you the most affordable charges. Our team of movers has the required equipment that helps pack your essentials easily and transit them without any wear and tear. Usually, while moving to a nearby locality or interstate, we prefer shifting our apartment by ourselves, which may result in broken products and injury without any prior experience. Moreover, whether it's local shifting, the process of packing, loading, shifting, unpacking, it's the same. So we recommend that you hire a trained team like us to make the shifting process seamless. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Raceland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.